Hi friends, in this video, we will learn how to access a character in a string. As string is a sequence of characters, any character can be accessed using the index operator, denoted by square brackets, with the first character occurring at index equal to 0. For example, let us assign a string hello to a variable s. Now, to access the first character, we can execute s of 0, which returns the letter h. Similarly, executing s of 2 returns the third character in the string, that is l. Now, if we execute s of 5, it raises an index error as the specified index 5 is out of range. As the length of the string is 5, the valid range of index is 0 to 4. As strings are immutable, any attempt to modify character at an index raises an error. For example, if we try to modify the third character to p by executing the statement s of 2 equal to string p, it raises a type error. Python also supports negative indexing. That is, you can access the values of a string from right to left. Index of -1 denotes the last character of the string, -2 the second last character, and so on till -n the first character of the string if its length is n. Let us assign a string hello to a variable s. Now, s of -1 returns the last character of the string, that is o. S of -4 returns the fourth character from the right, that is e. S of -6 raises an index error, as the minimum valid negative index is -5 as the length of string is 5. The length of a string can be obtained using the built-in len function, which can be used to determine the upper bound of the index. For example, len of string hello returns 5 as there are 5 characters in the string. Similarly, if a variable s is assigned string sample text, then len of s returns the length of the string contained in the object referenced by the variable s, that is 11. Let us now assign p equal to string python. On executing L equal to len p, the length of p is stored in the variable L. Now, p of L minus 1 returns n, which is the character at the last position in the string python.